Hi everyone, today we're gonna have a peek inside the Technics M51 cassette player recorder. It's a very nice shape and it's quite a famous tape recorder from its time, 1980s. And we're gonna have a look how does the circuitry look like inside the mechanical system for the cassette player also. And it has a auto recording sensor feature, so we're gonna have a look how that works and how did the Technics apply that one. It's a the cassette level is a normal CRO2 and metal automatic set, and also you can do on the manual from the back side. It has also the Dolby system, not noise reduction on and off, you can see here. So we're gonna have a look inside. Let me open it and then we see the circuitry. So we open it up. This is the mechanical system for the cassette player itself. I hope you can see it. This is a power supply here, and let me zoom in a little bit before, and you see over there behind this wall there are four fuses, there. If any short circuit further, then they will go off, fuses. And this is the main pre-amplifier circuitry, and you can see it has a preamp transistors attached to that, and the auto recording sensing circuitry is there. They use this AN5870 chip for that, so when the recording level is much higher, then it automatically reduces it, and once the is so weak, then it amplifies it to always keep a level, certain level, so the recording should be appropriate. It can be through mic input also and other sources also when you make recording on the cassette tape. So this is a nice circuitry, and heart of this automatic recording sensor is this chip, this one there. And below this circuitry is a for the audio section, so you have a line in and line out. So if you wanted to do recording, you can do through the line in. I hope you can see it. Let me, yeah, these are the line in and these two are line out, so you can feed any audio source and record on the cassette, and also listen playback on the output. And if you just play back the cassette, these are the output. So this is the circuitry deal with the the audio signal, the whole one here. And it's very nice circuit design. It has very good electric distribution. So each section, if you can see, this is the first section, the second, third and fourth, all are controlled through the separate fuses. So each, if you have a problem with this circuitry and it's a short circuit, that fuse will blow up, and then you know that where I have to focus. Instead of going through the whole circuitry, just look at the fault and short circuit on this device rather than going through the whole circuit. That's a very good Japanese design. Power supply is also very good, very. And after all those years, this cassette deck looks amazing. So that is the basically it, and I would like to show you a little bit more about the mechanics of the audio cassette. Let me see if so. Here is the mechanical part where the cassette is being played, reverse, forward and recorded. This is the main motor, and everything is through the mechanical system, which is quite robust, and also is controlled through a touch system. So there is a servo system involved in each and every mechanism you are trying to use it. For example, if you just play, then circuitry goes through that system, and then the servo system push activities and the cassette came into play mode. And same goes for the reverse and the forward, and when it's pause also. So motor, normal thing, motor is keep on running in the pause feature, and only the ruler is go away from little bit away from the tape, and the cassette get static. But in this one, the motor also stops. It's very good feature, and it prolong the life of cassette tape also, and also the heads. So basically this is the core from here to here, core mechanical setup. I see if I can show you from side. So this is on the side. So this is the wire management, very nicely done. All the wires, for example, this is the phone's connection, they are separately tied, so you know that red, brown and orange, they are only for the headphones. And so also for the power to the motor is with this two brown and blue wires, they are tied together. Very good wire management. And further also you see this is a recording head and the playing head. It's connected with this, so those with the head feature is connected over there. So everything is very nice and tidy, and the mechanic or electrician who will carry on the service work on that, follow the schematic diagram, should be very easy to repair any problem on that deck. I rarely hear that problem in this mechanic circuitry with the servo system, because it's made very robust that it often doesn't fail. It's very, I search on internet, I seldom find any one or two entries which talking about mechanical part of this deck. Usually mostly all high quality and low quality cassette decks problem is with the belts. The belt get wider because it's made of rubber, and the motor, with the time the motor lose its performance, then you have to remove the motor and a little bit lubrication. But I seldom find any more entries relating to the mechanical fault of this deck, which is quite impressive. So this is the back side. Here you have a voltage selector. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so you can choose 220 or 110 voltage, and this one, this unit is preset for 220, means Europe and most of the Asia. And if we go here, this is the tape select. So you have the auto, or you have to put on metal, CR02 and normal. This is the manual. And then for here you have only for the CR02 FE so but it's better to keep it auto, it will detect auto. And here this is the line in I was talking about, it's the line out. And this one is only for the remote control. It's a remote control used only on the RP9624. So this is for the remote control if you have a similar amplifier in the phonograph, and then you use this one, otherwise you just leave it blank. This is the output level. So this is very nice, depend upon the kind of amplifier you have. So you can set to full output level, so better keep it on the mid, which is fine. I'll show you the front panel now. The sound test of Technics M51 amplified with the JVC AX30 stereo integrated amplifier. pause, very effective, stop, play, forward, reverse, play, eject. Very good mechanism. So amazing cassette player. I hope you like. Thank you.